Hello, this is Arthur again. Today we're gonna take a look at my updated toolboxes. If you've seen my old toolbox video, I only had this one and a small cabinet in the back. I recently acquired this other similar toolbox to this one since I was running out of space for tools. It was getting crowded in the drawers and I didn't like that. It was hard to find tools. As well, in addition to that, I also purchased these two UltraHD cabinets. They're 6 feet tall, with 30 inches wide and 18 inches deep for some of the larger tools that comes in boxes. I store them in there, and now it's more organized and it makes working on cars a lot more enjoyable. Let's take a look at some of the drawers. Here I have some of my power tools. I have a couple of them missing. They're elsewhere at this time. I have some of my scanners, jumper. I typically like to use the Milwaukee tools. They work great and they last a long time. Here I have some of my oil change tools, washers. Here are some other random tools that I use not very often, but when I need to find them, I want to see where they are at. Some trim tools, trim removal tools, and so on. I have some long wrenches over here and some brake caliper tools. Just some brushes. Some hammers, files, knife. Over here I have some towels and some other tools that I don't use too often. Besides some trays and some safety glasses. Over here I still need to get a couple of trays, but I do have some of my sockets and breaker bars. Over here I put the extensions as well as smaller ratchets. In this drawer I have wrenches and more wrenches, basically. And over here I have different types of wrenches, some thin wrenches, some of these wobbly ones, they work great, and long damage fastener removal tools, those are really good, they work great. Here are some pliers and so some different wrenches, some screwdrivers and pick tools. Over here I have some boxed different Allens and different tools for different cars. Here are some glues and sealants. Let me move this toolbox back and I'll show you what is in the other cabinets. I do have to move this every time I need to open these doors, but it's not really a big deal. This one I kept it fairly lightly loaded since I typically get new tools here and there and I do need some more space for them. This one is more on the heavier side. There's some timing tools, some different engine tools, different ball joint removals, and radiator testing tools. These cabinets are really nice. They're around $300 each. Very easy to assemble. And this is not the first time I had one of these, and they last a very long time. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. There are more videos that are gonna come. And then just push this back. Thank you.